Okay, I'm going to do an example solve just to show you like what it's going to look like after you've been solving it for a while. So, yeah, I'm sorry I left the door open. You might hear my parents, my family. Yeah, occasionally you'll hear a dog bark, so sorry. But here goes. Oops. One side. I really don't need to look for some of this. It's muscle memory. That's another thing you'll get after you solve the cube for a while. You'll find you don't really have to watch the cube sometimes. So. Okay, there you go. The thing says like 2 minutes. So, yeah, you can solve in about 2 minutes average. Sometimes if you're really lucky, you can get it pretty fast. My fastest time for the Rubik's Cube was 40 seconds, and that's like really fast, under a minute. If you get at least like minute 15, then that's very, very good. So, yeah, that's what it looks like. So, yeah, the reason why I'm like talking like you know the Rubik's Cube is because I'm planning on doing a video in which I show you how to solve the Rubik's Cube. So, yeah, because a lot of people have been asking me, how do you solve the Rubik's Cube? So I'm just going to make a video so they stop asking me. So yeah, that's pretty much it.